The Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask is one of the most talked about overnight skincare products right now, especially if you're looking for firmer, more hydrated, glowing skin. But what exactly is this overnight wrapping mask, and does it live up to the hype? In this video, we're breaking down what this mask does, how to use it properly, and the key do's and don'ts so you can get the best results from your routine. The Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask is an overnight peel-off sleeping mask designed to lock in moisture while you sleep and leave your skin looking smoother, firmer, and more radiant by the morning. Unlike a traditional wash-off mask, this formula dries into a thin, flexible collagen film that wraps the skin overnight. This helps minimize moisture loss while allowing the active ingredients to work as you sleep. When you wake up, simply peel the mask away to reveal hydrated, refreshed looking skin. It helps to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin, help improve the appearance of firmness and elasticity, support the skin's moisture barrier, leave the skin looking smoother and plumper, and promote a healthy, radiant glow. The key ingredients include collagen, which helps improve the appearance of plumpness and elasticity, hyaluronic acid, which is going to help attract and retain moisture for long-lasting hydration, ceramides, which will help strengthen the skin barrier and reduce moisture loss, glycerin, which will draw water into the skin to keep it soft and hydrated, and finally niacinamide, which is going to help brighten the complexion and support an even skin tone. The lightweight gel formula dries into a comfortable wrapping layer that stays in place overnight without feeling overly heavy. It's suitable for most skin types, especially dry, dehydrated, dull, and mature skin. If you have very sensitive skin, it's always a good idea to patch test before using any new skincare product. How we use this mask is simple. We want to start with a clean face after completing your evening skincare routine. So making sure you apply your toner, your essence, your serums, and your moisturizer, and then as the final step in this skincare routine for night, you're going to apply an even layer of the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask across your face, avoiding the eyes, eyebrows, lips, and hairline. You're going to allow the mask to dry completely before you go to bed, and you're going to sleep in it overnight. The next morning, you're going to gently peel the mask away in one piece if possible, then rinse away any remaining residue before continuing with your usual morning routine. Most people use this mask 2 to 3 times per week, depending on their skin's needs. There are a few do's and don'ts when using the mask in your routine. We want to make sure firstly that we do apply it as the final step of your nighttime skincare routine. We want it to completely dry before going to bed, and making sure that we do peel it off gently in the morning. When it comes to the don'ts, we don't want to apply it too close to your eyes, eyebrows, lips, or hairline. We don't want to apply it overly thick, as this is going to make it harder for you to peel off in the morning. We don't want to use it over any broken skin, and we also need to be realistic when it comes to the results. Don't expect permanent firming results after one use. The immediate plumping effect comes largely from the improved hydration of your skin. The Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask is a unique overnight treatment that combines hydration with a satisfying experience of a peel-off mask. If your skin has been feeling dry, dull, or lacking elasticity, and you're looking for an easy overnight treatment to boost hydration and glow, this could be a great addition to your routine. Let us know in the comments if you've tried the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask and whether it lived up to your expectations. And if you want to learn more about Korean skincare, check out these videos here next.